How to add Cinemascope in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and make sure your video is already placed on the timeline. Then, go to the Effects panel, which you'll find on the top left of the interface. In the search bar, type Adjustment Clip. Once it appears, drag it onto a new video track above your main footage and stretch it across the entire timeline so the effect applies throughout the video. Now, click on the adjustment clip to select it and head over to the inspector panel on the top right. If the inspector isn't visible, enable it by clicking the button labeled Inspector. Scroll down inside the inspector until you find the cropping options. To create the Cinemascope look using the 2.35:1 aspect ratio, we need to crop both the top and bottom equally. For a 1080p timeline, start by setting crop top and crop bottom to around 132 pixels each. For 4K footage, increase both values to approximately 250 pixels. These black bars will now appear above and below your footage, simulating the classic widescreen film look. If your subject is being cropped too tightly, you can go back to the main clip and adjust its vertical position slightly under the transform settings in the inspector. This keeps your important content properly framed without removing the cinematic feel. And that's it. Now you know how to add Cinemascope in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.